Space, mysterious, beautiful, and absolutely packed with misinformation. Today, we're busting 7 of the most common space myths using our very unofficial Aristotle scale of wrongness. Get ready, because the truth is way more awesome than any myth. Let's talk about the moon and its so-called dark side. The truth? There's no permanent dark side, just a far side thanks to tidal locking. The moon always shows the same face to Earth, but both sides get sunlight as it orbits. It's a cosmic dance, not a shadowy secret. So, no hidden alien bases, just basic celestial mechanics. The far side is just waiting for its turn in the sun. The sun isn't a giant fireball, it's a nuclear fusion reactor. Fire needs oxygen, but the sun fuses hydrogen into helium, releasing immense energy. Think of fire as a candle. The sun is a cosmic powerhouse. If it were just fire, it would have burned out eons ago. Aristotle's 4 elements never saw this coming. Space is freezing cold. Not exactly. Space itself doesn't have a temperature. There's almost nothing there to measure. Objects in space can get scorching hot in sunlight or icy cold in shadow. It's less about space being cold, more about it being a great insulator or a terrible one depending on where you are. So space isn't cold or hot, it's just empty. Polaris, the North Star, is famous for navigation, but it's not the brightest star. That title goes to Sirius, the dog star. Polaris is important, but it's a distant supergiant, not a showstopper. Fun fact, Polaris is actually a triple star system. So, reliable guide, yes, brightest, not even close. Not even. Nebulas look dense and colorful in photos, but they're mostly empty space. If you flew through one, you'd barely notice. Think of a faint fog, not a wall. Their beauty comes from light spread over vast distances, not actual density. Up close, they're more ethereal than solid. Gorgeous, yes, but mostly nothing. In space, no one can hear you scream. True, mostly, space is a vacuum, so sound as we know it can't travel. But in clouds of gas and dust, like nebulas, sound waves can exist, just at frequencies we can't hear. Even black holes generate sound waves as matter spirals in. You'd need a cosmic sound system to pick them up, but the universe isn't silent. Space has its own strange soundtrack. Finding organic molecules in space doesn't mean aliens. Organic just means carbon-based, and carbon is everywhere. We found these molecules on comets, asteroids, and in interstellar clouds. They're building blocks, not proof of life. So, exciting? Yes. Evidence of little green men? Not yet. Water isn't rare in space, it's everywhere, just not always as liquid. Comets and asteroids are packed with ice, and Mars has polar caps. Even Venus has traces of water vapor. Beyond the snow line, water is mostly frozen, locked in comets and moons. Liquid water is special, but water itself is common in the cosmos. The universe is wetter than you think. Those top-down Milky Way photos, not real. We're inside the galaxy, so we can't take a selfie from above. All those images are either artists' renditions or photos of similar galaxies. Mapping our galaxy is possible, but that iconic view is out of reach for now. Still beautiful, just not a snapshot of home. Next time you hear a wild space myth, set the record straight. The universe is stranger and cooler than fiction, so keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your curiosity alive. Like and subscribe for more myth-busting. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments. You've seen those awe-inspiring videos. Astronauts floating, flipping, and gliding through the International Space Station. It's easy to think they're weightless because there's no gravity in space. But here's the twist. Gravity is still very much in play. The real reason astronauts float? They're actually in continuous freefall, orbiting Earth at just the right speed so that as they fall, the ground curves away beneath them. It's like being on a roller coaster that never hits the ground. So next time you see astronauts defying gravity, remember, they're not weightless. They're just riding the ultimate cosmic merry-go-round, held tight by gravity's invisible grip. And that's another space myth. Busted.